Alright everybody, we got our 45-degree pipes right next to each other. Kind of going to explain what we're going to do here. We're basically just going to cut a straight line on both sides. Cut that, weld those together, hopefully have no leaks at all, and that will be our X pipe for underneath the Vic Truck. So here's the product before we're finished. What you're going to do is you're going to draw two basically identical straight lines on each of them. How I'm going to cut these is with a cutoff wheel. For now, we have a cutoff wheel, a grinder, and a Sharpie. That's all you need for right now. Next step, you'll probably need a welder. Hit up one of your local buddies that has a welder. You probably even use a stick welder if you're decent at it, but I'm going to use my MIG just because we have it. Right now, we got a $20 grinder, probably 5-pack, $4.99 cutoff wheel, and we got about 14 bucks. In these two. Altogether, your investment's pretty low right now. In the process, then I pop up on you like that. One side, my side, you ride it, you die, choose wise, shoot for the star. Alright, here's your preliminary cuts. Bingo, bango. Now, if you're really good and you get them both the same on each side, these will fit about perfect together. But I got to trim underneath there still a little bit. As you can see, they're a little bit wider out. So I'm going to cut a little bit more off there. Here's your cuts. That's about what they're going to look like. That's a pretty good opening right there. Short, I get mine. Yeah, you get yours. Yeah. So we've got it all pretty much trimmed to where we want it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack it into place. And once it's at my liking, I'm going to go ahead and weld her solid. And then she's ready to get put on the truck. There she is. Now when you're welding it, just make sure you get every single crease, nook and cranny you can, or else you're gonna have a little bit of a leak and it's gonna go puff, puff, puff underneath your car and it's gonna sound like poop. That's basically how it's done. For me, that took about 15 minutes to make that up, and it looks phenomenal. There's X in that way, there's X in that way. Basically, that's your probably couple minute tutorial how to build an X pipe in your back home garage with just a welder and a couple $7 45-degree angle pipes. Now, if you want to see the rest of the exhaust on this truck, head on over to part 6 of the Crown Vic build. This is our Crown Vic swapped F100. If you guys are new here, we just got done with it basically here on the channel. Well, done by, it's on the chassis, and we'll be doing the whole exhaust on this. So if you're interested in basically any car swapping, we are going to be doing a Coyote swap. This here Ford Wagon, and that there Coyote. So check our videos out. If you like what you see, you know, like it, subscribe, and we'd love to have you. Thanks for watching.